Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting Dior unboxing. Yes, my very first Dior handbag ever. And I know in the past a lot of you have asked, why don't I have Dior? Well, now I finally do, so I'm going to unbox this with you guys. It's a true unboxing. Also, I have my friend sitting right next to me over here, Heji. We went shopping all day today. She insisted that I film while sitting next to her, so I'm doing that. This is her beautiful bag. This is her Chanel wallet on chain in the caviar. Well, I don't know what the official name of this color is, but it's kind of like a sea foam greenish, Tiffany bluish type of color. With the light gold hardware. So this was her bag of the day. And then I wore this one, which is my 21p brown mini rectangular flap. And yeah, so these are the two bags we wore out and about on our day off. But let me get to the true unboxing. And she also bought something from Chanel. So I'm going to share her Chanel goodie also. So let me just move this over. And this, I don't know if you recognize the box. It's not a handbag, so we'll get into it. It's super cute. Okay, so let's just open this up. It is packaged so beautifully. Look at this. The sales associate that helped us, obviously my first time meeting her because I don't typically shop at Dior, and she was lovely. She was so attentive, and look at this, the way she packaged it up. So detailed. Beautiful ribbon. Everyone had told me that the Dior service was so much better than Chanel or Louis Vuitton, and I definitely witnessed that today. Super lovely service. Okay. So here's the tissue paper. Dun, dun, dun. Look at the pleating. Isn't this so pretty? The pleated paper. Okay. This color just spoke to me. As soon as I saw it in the store, I thought, wait a minute, let me go try that on. Look at that. So I had mentioned a while back that I actually almost purchased this bag in a different size and different leather when I was traveling in Italy a couple of years ago with my daughter. And ever since then, I kind of fell in love with the bag, but I always had hesitations, always, for whatever reason. And this time I think it's perfect. So let me open. Oh my gosh, it's so tight. Ooh. Do you see? Dun, 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 dun. The color is so pretty. Okay, so this is the so classic, so iconic Lady Dior in the small size. And I've never seen this color before. It's kind of like a nude, pinkish, beigeish, I don't know, it's got all different undertones to it, but this is pretty much coming up as the true color, right? Right? Yeah, I mean, it's just sunlight, natural light. So let me take this out. How cute. So you can see the Dior Charm. Yay! It's such a cheerful bag. It just has so much sound effects and the tactile, the handles. Okay, so this one officially, I have to look at the tag for the official name. But like I said, it's got like this pinkish nude color to it. And it has light gold hardware. So you've got the flip open top. It's all lambskin, buttery soft. And the really fun part was that I was able to choose charms. So this is the ABC Dior. So it comes with 3 different charms of your choice. You can customize it. So everyone's going to have a slightly different combination. It's very personal. And I chose these 3. So dragonfly, just thought it was super cute. And then a heart. And then this is a lion. I just have an affinity for lions, and I'm a Leo. So this was my combination. I love that it's a thicker, broad band for comfort. And it's adjustable, so you can wear it on one shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. But I actually love the Lady Dior just held like this and in the crook of your arm, which is a little unusual for me, right? Because I typically like crossbody. So let's get in here. Let's see, I didn't even pay attention to all of this stuff when I was in the store. So this is what it looks like. It's a black interior. You can't see, but it has the classic Dior, what is it? Pattern inside with the C and D, and then you have the zippered compartment on one side. So hard to see. Can Can you see? It's like a black hole in there. And then one open slip pocket here. That's pretty much it. And then it goes like that. Let me show you in comparison, since sometimes nudes and beige and pink come up differently in the camera and depending on the lighting. So just since I have this here with me, just give you a quick comparison. So you've got the 21p brown, which is often referred to as the caramel. And then you've got this one on the Dior now. So you can see the one on the right has more of a, I don't know. They both have some slight pink undertones, but I feel like the Chanel one is clearly darker. And yeah, just different look to it. What's the official name on this? Hey, do you know where the tag is? Is it in here? Maybe it's in the receipt. But the name, I remember seeing it. So in here comes this little booklet. I'm like panting. I am panting and sweating. This is what happens when I unbox something that I really love and I get excited. So here's a little card. Where's the original tag? I remember seeing it. Did she just take it off? So there are 4 feet on the bottom. I think everyone here pretty much knows what the Lady Diors look like, but just in case. Got the Dior little charm, and then the back here with the leather, Christian Dior. Apparently Christian Dior was quite superstitious and believed that these kinds of sounds on the charms would keep spirits away. It's an interesting background story. Stickers are still on here. I will peel those off. The color. No, that's a different color actually. My friend here is looking up on the phone. I think the color was called Fard, which is a really weird name. F-A-R-D. Can you look that up? Fard? No, Fard. Because even the sales associate was saying, oh, this is the whatever color. And then she had to check the tag and she said, oh, no. Actually, it's the Fard color, which is that a different language? Maybe it means something in a different language, Italian or French, who knows? Let me see. Blush. She said it was Fard. Sorry, I'm just looking at the, yeah. On the website, it just says blush. But where's my receipt? Where's my receipt? Sorry, this is what happens with true unboxings. We just have to go with it. You know what? I never got my receipt from her. Yeah, that's not good, you guys. I never got my receipt. It's not in the bag. It's not in the box. It's not in the shopping bag. So luckily I am a Bloomingdale's loyalist member, and I did get this from the Dior inside Bloomingdale's, so it'll be in my account. But I will have to call her and ask for the proper receipt. And I'm sure the color and everything will be on there, but I think the price was $4,700, I believe. So let me know what you guys think in terms of this one. I think the color is absolutely stunning. I think it will go really well with my wardrobe. And it is my one and only now Dior. I'm happy with this one Lady Dior. I'm so glad I saw this size and color. And then I do want to share with you what my friend got. Super cute. So like I said, it's not a handbag, but it's so cute. So she and I are the same size in footwear. It's footwear, as you can see. And like, as soon as she put them on, I was like, oh my gosh. So these espadrilles, how cute are these? So they're in like this really bright, cheerful pink, in contrast with navy. And she's like me, in between sizes, between like 8 and 8.5. So she tried on the 39. She tried on the 38. 39 was a little too loose. The 38 was a little too tight. But the sales associate was nice enough to say, hey, would you like to try on another pair in the 39? Because sometimes they come out a little looser or tighter. And the third one worked. It was the perfect one, like the Goldilocks size. The 39 was not stretched out the third time and looked perfect. So I'll probably post some photos on my Instagram of her wearing these because they're super cute. But here, I'll show you two side by side. You know, you can wear these with shorts, with jeans, with skirts, casual. You can dress them up. Really any season. Tweed, yeah, tweed. Here's a close-up. So isn't it fun when you go shopping with a girlfriend and then you each walk out with something? Like, I got something, she got something. Dangerous, dangerous. We should not do this too often. But fun. Why is there like hair in here? Is this from my floor? Okay. So let me put that away. Just wanted to show you like truly in real time. I don't know when I'll be able to upload this, but legit, we just got back to my apartment. The kids are playing in the living room, so if you hear any background noise, it's my kids and her son. And she was like, just unbox and film it now while I'm sitting next to you. So first time ever that I'm filming in front of anyone besides my kids. Yeah. Okay, if I find my receipt, which I will, if you have any questions and the information's on my receipt, I will share. Just leave me a comment down below and I'll answer. But I am ecstatic about this new bag. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.